everybody, welcome back to my Rose World. So today we are opening my JoJo Bow Club box. So here we go. Like usual, rip box open, jump out box, yeet box, flip over. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's really cute, this one. Okay, I wasn't sure. I don't know. Oh, it is upside down. Okay. Let's open. Open sesame. Wait. Am I tripping? No. Open sesame. There you go. I love inside. Okay. So it came with this, which I do not know what it is, so I'm going to see. Open sesame. There you go. It's a bandana. This is really cute. Such a cute bandana. I love it. Yes, you can't see my face anymore. Poop. Just like that. Let me go on. Oh, and it has the bow. It has a bow on. I was noticing that when oh, and it said JoJo Siwas Bow Club. That's really cute. Okay, now the pin. A cute gummy bear with the heart, with the JoJo heart on it. Okay, and now, moment we all been waiting for. The bow. Out of this cute bag. Oh, this is so cute. And over here it has some JoJo hearts. Oh my god. This is so cute. It hurt. Oh my god. This box is one of the very, 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 very cute ones. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I have Cobb over here, just chilling with me. He's guarding my phone. So, yeah, there's some bird collection, but back to this. I get sidetracked so easily. I love the bow. I love this bag. Can we just take a moment and admire this bag? I mean, yeah, I'm being weird, okay? Don't mind me, okay? I don't know what I've turned into. I'm just weird again, okay? I'm having my moment. Okay, back in bag view. Oh my god. Well, I'm just gonna set that there for now. Okay, well, that's all for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Love you guys. Bye!